Then you have the detect and respond. So I'll start the entire thing. This is where we live day to day here at Sedara for the most part when you're talking about managed detection and response and actually monitoring for threats and preventing them or stopping them and then preventing them from happening again. So this is a cyclical thing, right? We detect issues, we investigate them, we run them to ground with the response capabilities. Either that means we're blocking in a firewall, that means we're blocking IP addresses. If it's a UTM doing content filtering, you're blocking URIs, you're adding those to the block lists. If you're using intelligence subscriptions that apply across your organization, which is a great way to do these sorts of things, you put them at a global level and then they apply to your firewalls and your content filters, maybe your spam filters and some other technologies if you're bringing all of that intelligence together. But the idea is you can look at, how do you detect with your firewalls? How do you respond with your firewalls? And write it down and create a plan around it. It's it's a very, very, it's much more approachable when you limit your scope to this.